Look what I got, a free boat. But with free boat comes a lot of work. Pretty sweet looking. I guess can't really argue with free though. I think the price was right. So what I'm gonna do, I am going to rebuild it and change the name. Look at this. The only good thing about that, it's all plywood and then it's just painted. So yeah, new plywood, paint. We're good to go. So easy, you can see where they cut it here. And then, yeah, just joined it. Fiberglass the edge. Rigidity. Actually, that's a good idea. Maybe I'll just fiberglass the whole top. The trailer is in beautiful condition. Once again, free, so it doesn't matter. I'll make it mine. This looks like a lot of work, but I don't think it's as much as I initially thought. Oh yeah, look at this. 2006 Mercury 50. What I don't like is that corrosion right there. Other than that, it's pretty spanky. Like, it's super clean. The guy who gave it to me is 86 years old. And he's one of my clients. He told me he used it once. And then, yeah, it sat for 6 years. It definitely needs some really good pressure wash in that engine. Once again, the plywood's good on this side, or this tub, I guess. But it just needs to be scraped and repainted. I think it's going to be a very fun project. I hooked up a battery because I was concerned that the engine, nothing would work. Guess what? Went up and down, no problem. I'm still yet to start it though, because I'm kind of concerned about how to start it after sitting for 5 or 6 years. Kind of freaks me out, so I don't know what to do. So let's go jump inside and let's get up right there, I guess. Have a little tour of the inside. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably record the whole thing of me fixing it up, taking it apart, cleaning it. Oops. It's a really cool boat. Super cool boat. The whole boat is actually varnished. Whatever's not exposed to the sun is nicely varnished everywhere. So whoever built this thing did a lot of work. Yeah, so it looks pretty good. Whatever wasn't exposed to the sun. Look at that. The workmanship, craftsmanship, unbelievable. Oh, and I just noticed I got 2 free downriggers and a rod holder. Sick. See, I'll revarnish all that. Oh, yeah. But once again, free. So it doesn't matter. I wonder what the underside of that looks like. Oh, wow. That's varnished as well. Holy crap. Look at that. A lot of people would even take on this project. But I'm like, bring it on. I'll take it. Let's check over there. Oh yeah. This thing is in wicked, wicked shape. Wow. I love it. And these things are, I'm assuming, how would this go? Let's see. Let's give it a shot. Let's see if I'm right or wrong. This thing would go here, I guess? Nope. Or wait, just push that back. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, baby. Sweet. Love it. And then we pull this back a little bit. And then lock her up. Oops, too far. Does this even work? How does this work? Oh, more forward? Let's try that. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's wicked. Wicked, wicked. That just locks there. Do we have a lock in this bugger? No lock. Once again, it doesn't matter. It's a free boat. Okay, let's take this apart. A fish finder, but I can guarantee you that does not work. A compass. And a fuel gauge, of course, mercury fuel gauge. Tack. Oh, there's one thing I did notice though. This right here does not move. So I need to unstick that. Some Quicksilver mercury controls. Okay, let's take this off. Let's see how this works. Yeah, even the inside of that's in pretty good shape. But if I look at this, plywood delaminated. So yeah, I'll just replace whatever. I'll just replace the piece of plywood. Stick it and glue it. Good to go. Alright. Got the other seat, the captain and the co-captain. Let's put that on, I guess. Very nice. Alright, let's give her a go. What do we got in here? OMG, this thing is mint. Wow. This is crazy. It's in such good shape. This thing's mint. You can see a little bit of black mold here starting to form. That's, I don't know if that's poisonous or what. Kind of scares me though. And the cushion, I'm gonna throw those out so we can see what's happening inside. So I'll end up getting obviously new ones because that's disgusting. Probably full of black mold. A bunch of stains in here. I don't know if that's from water or what that's from. I don't want to know. Anyway, let's have a look inside. Wow, I can comfortably sleep in here, no problem. 2 people. A little tight, but it'll be good. Head down here and the footskis up there. Itty bitty toilet. Thank God there's no poopy sitting right there. Let's lift it. Oh, there's nothing in it. It's new. Huh. I thought it looked in good condition. Okay, so now we're in here. Slowly gonna make our way to the back. That'd be the front. This thing is so cool. I can't believe somebody built this by hand. Well, I can't believe I got it given to me for free. Oh yeah, look at this. The plywood on top just started to leak through. So it would have leaked. That makes sense now. It would have leaked on the foam. Wow, I got this just in time to save it. And save it I will do. So yeah, it's got a couple little leaks that I will fix. That's a kind of weird looking window. What is this? Okay. Oops. How do you open this bad boy? Uh-oh. Come on. Oh, sweet. Sweet. So what I'm going to do is... Oh, I get it. Those boards fit right here. This big buoy, this little itty bitty boat. What's this thing? Hand pump. Oh, that makes good sense. I think I'd rather have a bilge pump though. I wonder if there's anything tucked away in that cutty. Hopefully not wasp nest or something. Okay, what's in there? Nothing. How about this side? Oh, foam. That helps a bit. Keeper afloat. I can't actually see if there's anything in there right now, but I'll look at the video later to see if I can see some buggies in there. Oh, what do we have here? Doesn't matter. Came with the boat. It's free. 4-stroke engine oil. Oh yeah, that engine's a 4-stroke 50, by the way, 2006. So I can't argue with that. Okay, so let's put these. I think they belong. I think so. I think they belong. Nope, not that way. Turn them around. That away. Very nice. Very, very nice. So that pretty much is the whole boat. Got some good wire in here, marine wire. What is that? That's some funny looking mold, or what is that thing? What the hell is that? Hope it doesn't kill me. What is that? So alien gonna crawl out of there? Oh, what the hell is that? I've never seen that before. Anywho, yeah, the wiring, everything looks really good in here. Nice varnish. Oh, I'm excited. This is gonna be a fun project. Oh, what's this? Oh, what's up here? Oh, I see. Corner of the windshield. Well, I'm replacing this whole top anyway, so it doesn't matter. Very clean wiring. Very clean. Funny thing, I already have a boat over there. but this one's got some character. So I gotta keep this bad boy. Anyway, so this is my boat project for this summer while I'm on my COVID vacation, let's say. So I'm going to post up some videos of my progress. So yeah, comment. Let's hear what you have to say about my project. Or should I just take it and maybe chop it up and burn it? Because it's 100% wood with some toxic, probably marine paint, so maybe I shouldn't burn it. Yeah, I really don't know what to do with it. My intention, of course, is to fix it. It shouldn't be that expensive. Like, how expensive can a few pieces of 3/4-inch plywood be? But maybe this time I'll get some marine plywood. I'd like to fix it. Yeah, let's hear what you have to say. Thanks for watching.